Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Create Wealth, where we talk about Forex trading. How can we trade Forex with the help of expert advisors and robots? Guys, this video is about BRPR EA, which is much awaited EA. Actually, this EA has been very popular among the users that are using this expert advisor. And I'm recreating a video on this. We have been trading with this expert advisor since last year on different accounts. On this particular account, we started on 10th of June, and today is 17th of August. Today is Saturday, so we are not going to count it, and could not able to make the video yesterday, so I'm creating it today. And we have completed 2 months and maybe 1 week more. Okay, so let's start from here. The minimum requirement for this expert advisor is 1,000, and if you keep like 1,200 to 1,500, that would be ideal. We started with 1,000 on this account on 10th of June, and so far we have experienced so much fluctuations and the volatility in the Forex market. Okay, so profitability is something different and consistency is something different. So here in this channel, whatever videos that I'm creating on the expert advisor, those maybe they are not profitable, not much profitable sometimes, but so far they have been consistent. However, we are not sure about the future, but so far what has been so far in our account, I am just going to show it across with you. Okay. So today is almost like 2 months and 1 week. So this expert advisor has been created mainly to trade Euro USD, and this uses time filter as well as apart from other parameters, conditions, indicators, and analytics. This uses two-side averaging feature as well. Say sometimes the market goes in opposite direction, so it used to monetize those small moments as scalping. Okay? While it is a trend trading expert advisor, but still it uses two-side averaging when it is needed, when certain parameters needs to be made. Okay. So with a deposit of 1,000, we made around 341.35 in a span of 2 months and 1 week. Okay. So let's go to its MyFX book statistics. Hold on for a second, please. So this is the MyFX book statistics. The drawdown, the maximum drawdown that went is 29.52%. Okay, and this is when we started with 1,000, and so we can say that maybe not bad actually. Okay, so this is the growth graph, this is the balance graph, this is the profit graph, and this is the drawdown graph. Okay, so the monthly has been almost around 14%, and the drawdown is up to 29.52%. Okay, this is the statistics that you have already seen so far, and this is the stuff that you would like to see in case. This week we made 1.94%, this month we made 7.15%, this year we made 34.14%. Okay, and monthly wise, if you see, in June we made 9.6%, in July we made 14.22%, and in August we made 7.15%. Okay, in this particular account actually, we have been trading with this expert advisor since last year. Maybe I can show you the statistics of a couple of other accounts that we traded earlier. This is between June and August, and this is just we traded for a month, I guess, May 29 till 1st of July, so it is just 1 month between May and June, you can say. From May till August is the statistics in front of you, and this is the old account actually that we traded since last year from August 21st of August till March of 21st. We made the maximum drawdown that went was around 42.14%, and the monthly was around 21% so far. Okay, and this one also I think we traded just for a month or so, from March 27 to May 9. So you can say like from March 21 we traded on this account, then from March to May we traded on this account, then May from June we traded on this account, then from June onwards you can see on this particular account, right? So it is almost 1 year that we completed so far. We are about to complete on in just next couple of days. Okay. So in this account, the maximum drawdown was 14.73% and the monthly was around 12.91%. Guys, the drawdown and the monthly profit, that is based on market conditions. Okay. That is based on market conditions plus the kind of trading conditions that your broker is providing. Okay. Sometimes in worst trading conditions, like, I mean, when market goes in opposite direction, or maybe in some due to some geopolitical tensions, or maybe some war situations, or many other things that are going on in the global market as of now. Okay, so it could be the drawdown could vary, right, from 10%, 12% to like as we can see, the maximum drawdown was around 40%. Okay, so this can vary, and also the profitability as well. In one account we were making 21%, in one account we were making around 13%, in one account we were making around this one we were making around 20%, and this one we were making around 14%, right? So this is like depends on many conditions, but this is what the statistics is. It is almost like 1 year of statistics in front of you. And if you can just go through the MyFX book link, or maybe my cumulative account, right, then you can find BRPR over there, and there you can just check it out. There could be like 3 to 4 links. You can just check it out. In case if you are interested to trade with this expert advisor, you can contact me via email or Telegram. I have mentioned both in the video description. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel in case if you find some value in it. And in case if not, then also thanks for visiting to my video, and appreciate if you can share it across if it is worthy. And please also join our Telegram channel, where we occasionally post some of the important information, or could be some offers or some other information that might be useful for you sometimes, but we are not going to bother you very frequently. So please join our Telegram channel as well as subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for being with me. In case if you have any query, feel free to contact me on email or Telegram. Both details are in the video description. Thanks for watching and have a great weekend.